Hello, my name is Professor Inder Kumar Rana. I am Emeritus Fellow at the Department of Mathematics, IIT Bombay. I will be giving you a brief outline of the course called Calculus for Economics, Commerce and Management. The basic aim of this course is to develop and strengthen the calculus concepts and the skills needed for the study of subjects like economics, commerce and management. We shall assume minimum prior knowledge of mathematical concepts. Some of the participants of this course, you might have left studying mathematics at the 10th grade in the schools. So, we will not be assuming much of 11th and 12th standard mathematics. However, we will positively assume your familiarity with the concepts of financial mathematics, topics like percentage, profit and loss, simple and compound interest and so on. All other concepts that we will be needing for the study of calculus and its applications will be giving a brief outline and introduction and then using them. So, let me say what are the topics that we will be covering in this course. Basic set theory. Set theory is the foundation of all higher mathematics. So, we will be covering in very small detail the notion of set theory and basic operations in sets that we will be needing. Then we will look at the properties of, we will define real numbers and look at their properties because real numbers are essential, that is going to be the basic number system that we will be concerned with. We will be looking at the concept of a function, we will define rigorously what is a function and then look at what are the properties of the functions, namely limit and continuity of a function of one variable and its applications. After limit and continuity, limit is the one of the basic concepts that will also give rise to the notion of derivative of a function, and we'll define the notion of derivative of a function and its applications. So, applications will be how to analyze increasing and decreasing of a function given knowledge about the derivative, how to optimize certain things like optimizing the product function and optimizing the profit function and so on, how calculus tools are used in these concepts, and then we will be looking at a concept called convexity and concavity of functions using the calculus tools. So, these are the mathematical tools that we will be developing in the course, and then we will be looking at the applications of this in economics, commerce and management. For example, to be precise, the statement like equilibrium of prices at which the quantity demanded equal quantity supplied, this is how it is defined in economics, and in mathematics that will refer to a solution of system of two linear equations in two variables. General equilibrium system in economics is best analyzed by looking at a solution of a system of linear equations in mathematics. Of course, these fall under the category of linear algebra. So, we will not be dealing much of it, but I am just giving you a brief outline. As and when we use them, you may have to read a bit of linear algebra also. Then quantity demanded depends upon the price, consumption depends upon the level of incomes and so on. So, that gives rise to the notion of functional relationships in mathematics, the study of functions. The marginal concepts such as the marginal cost, marginal of revenue, utility, marginal of a product, tendency of consumption and so on, all fall under the concept of derivative of a function. So, we will study the derivative of a function and its applications in these concepts. Profit maximization, production frontier, etc. so on, all these are analyzed by the concept of maximization and optimization in mathematics. So, to get maximum benefit from this course, you will be required to be attentive and interactive. Just looking at the videos and listening to them will be of no use. You will have to be proactive and interactive in this. Understanding of mathematical concepts is best achieved by discussions. So, it will be required that you form discussion groups of your own and analyze the concepts which are told to you. Revise the topics which are discussed. Revision will always help doing exercises. There will be every week there will be assignments given to you in the course which you are expected to solve and submit. So, exercises help in strengthening the concepts, and above all a will to hard work combined with consistent efforts will do wonders in understanding this subject. So, this is just 8 weeks course. Not all the mathematics needed can be covered and taught in this. However, a mathematical beginning can be made. This is our hope. By the end of this course, if you join this course, mathematics will not appear difficult to you, and you would have learned how to learn mathematics yourself. So, in case you do decide to join the course, welcome and all the best. Thank you very much.